Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Vikings season 6, episode 18. Today, normally, I'm gonna finish this season, so I'm gonna finish the show. Am I ready for that? You know, I'm not sure. I'm too excited by what is gonna happen during this final episode to really think about the fact that this is the end of the show, that's it. I'm gonna finish it, and I'm never gonna be back with Vikings. Even if I read that, I think that we're gonna have a spin-off of Vikings. I read something about that, about a spin-off named Valhalla, which is going to be about a new generation years after what happened to Ragnar's sons. I read stuff about it that they were thinking about it for Netflix, I think, which was weird. Like, if you know something about it, if you read something about it, please tell me that on the comments. If the rumors are right, you know, about the fact that we're gonna have a spin-off, about the fact that this spin-off is gonna be named and about that, and if it's really gonna be about, and if it's really gonna be on Netflix, I really don't know. I want to have news about that, but I want also to avoid spoilers about the end of this show, so I'm not searching anything for now, any infos. I'm avoiding infos, pictures, tweets, you know, about Vikings, just to avoid spoilers, to discover what is gonna happen during this final episode by myself. I succeeded! And normally, you know, today I'm gonna have the time to watch the 3 last episodes, so normally I would have succeeded to that until the end, which is so great. I was really not sure that I would be able to do that. Like, the season is out since 2 weeks now, so to avoid spoilers about it, it was really difficult. To avoid spoilers also on the comments, it was really difficult. A lot of you, the majority of you were respectful with that, but really some of your comments, I was reading just the first 3 or 4 words and I knew that it was gonna be about spoilers. So I deleted these comments. I'm not gonna keep them for myself. I don't want to avoid them each time that I'm going on the comment section. And also for you guys, for the viewers, maybe you are like me, you didn't have the time to watch all of the episodes, and when you are watching a reaction video about this episode, you want information about this episode or the ones before that, not after that. So for you and for me, I deleted these comments. Okay, about the Vikings and what is happening on Vikings. We found the Golden Land, finally. The last episode, I just edited the reaction video about it yesterday. I didn't read on purpose the title of the last episode. Again, I want to avoid spoilers, so really, I'm not watching anything, I'm not searching for any information. The resume of the episode, the title of the episode, nothing. So when I saw the title of the last episode, I was like, that was a good one, because really what happened on these boats with all of these people suffering and all, I really thought that they were not gonna make it for another episode and that a lot of people were gonna die, more than the ones who already died. And at some point I was also like, maybe they're gonna have to kill each other, to eat each other, something like that. But they found the Golden Land. It was really frustrating at the end to not watch them, you know, put a foot on that land. Like, okay, you found it, okay, the picture was beautiful with the light coming like that, with this green land, finally a green land, a true green land that we saw. That was great, but really after all of this pain that they felt and I felt with them on these boats, I wanted them out of the boats, you know, and on the land, really, like, finally we are there. I found it, that's already great. They're all gonna survive, that's already great. They're all gonna survive. You know what I think about that? I think that they're gonna kill everyone. I mean, by everyone, all of the brothers. They already killed Bjorn during the first episode of this second part of the season. They really killed all of my hopes and dreams by doing that. Now I think that all of the brothers are gonna die. Maybe not all. I think that Ube is gonna die. He was injured just right there, and he's saying a lot of stuff about death, about the fact that at some point he's gonna have to die. Like the writers are preparing us for Ube dying, and same for Ivar and Fitzurk. The writers are reminding a lot to the viewers that at some point one is gonna have to kill the other one, so that's it. Now it's crystal clear for everyone, it's gonna happen, even if their relationship right now is great and I think was never better than what it is right now, but still they're gonna kill each other. One of them is gonna kill the other one. I hope that at least one of the brothers is gonna survive at the end, Ivar or Fitzurk. They said also that Harold and Ivar were preparing themselves for that raid, like it's the last one. So can it be possible that it's gonna be the last one for the two of them? And on that case, it would mean that Fitzurk is gonna be the one who is gonna survive. I loved Fitzurk during the last episode, you know, when he saved the day, when he saved Ivar and his crew. That was great to see Fitzurk like that. Like, I was really feeling like a proud mom during that moment. I fought so hard during entire seasons for him having his own narrative arc, for him having a real development. I love so much that they are doing that during this season. Since the beginning of this season, Fitzurk, for once, he has a real story, a real development, and he evolved so much. A lot of things happened to him during this season, really. And I love the fact that he got his confidence back because he had sex with a goddess, but not just because of that. And that was great to see him, you know, during the moment, you know, during that battle moment, like he was back and he was a savior for once, and he was, I don't know, you know, that rage that he had during that moment, that, oh, I loved it. That was a true Viking moment, that was great. I was proud. I'm glad. For Fitzurk, I'm glad. But still, people are gonna die, brothers are gonna die, and that's gonna happen today for me because I'm gonna watch the 3 episodes just in one day. Okay, I need to stop to think about that. They are fighting against Alfred for Wessex. They're gonna come into the city, you know, which is empty now. We know that this is a trap. A trap? That's not a good word, but we know that Alfred left the place, left the city on purpose because he wants to be more prepared to have that battle with the Vikings. We know also that Ivar is preparing something against Harald. Oh, and Eric is blind now because of Ingrid. I'm not sure that she wants him to die. For sure she wanted him to be powerless so she can almost rule just by herself. Is he gonna die or not? I thought, you know, at some point that the writers were keeping him because he's gonna have his importance before the end, you know, almost like Gollum in Lord of the Rings. Like, for now we can't see it, but he's gonna have his importance before the end of the story. If he's blind and all, I can't see which one. I have to be honest with you. I can't see it. I can't see it. I didn't make that joke on purpose, I swear. Okay, I'm gonna stop this info right now because if I want the time, you know, to watch these 3 episodes today, I need to hurry a little in intros and reviews, at least for the 2 first episodes. I mean, for the episodes 18 and 19. Let's go! You! I'm coming back. Tissues! I didn't take just one tissue, I took tissues. 3 episodes. The end of the season, the end of the show. I can predict already that people are gonna die. I need tissues, not just tissue. Someone is gonna die during this episode? Maybe. I don't think that they're gonna keep all of the deaths that I imagine just during the last episode, you know. Okay, I need to stop talking. Let's go for this episode. Oh, and did you know that I just created a Patreon? You can find the link on the description. I'm putting right there extended reaction video. It's longer videos and it's just one video, you know, it's not divided in some parts. Minutes are longer, and you know, when I'm forced to cut the video right there when I'm speaking or when things are happening because it's too long for YouTube. In fact, in these extended videos you have everything, and I think that for this last episodes of Vikings I'm gonna put on this Patreon the full reaction, you know, the full thing, because that's gonna be big important episodes, and for big important episodes I decided that on Patreon I will put the entire reaction video, you know. You can be interested by that, and if you want to support me for my work on that channel, if you are following me for a long time or not, please feel free to subscribe on this Patreon. For all of my videos you're gonna have an extended reaction video or a full reaction video. We're gonna see it still. I was frustrated by that, you know, at the end of the last episode. We've got it. This is the golden land with a golden light with green lands. I hope that this is gonna be everything that you wanted, babe. I can cry. They fought so hard for that land.
Lorelai, it's enough.
Water and food. Oh, that guy, we know that he was mad, you know. He's not gonna be the one who is gonna kill Ube. Please.
My lord.
Come, you should rest.
No, you're sick, and we know it. The ones who know the England history, but also the ones who are watching The Last Kingdom, like me. Hey.
My friends, sons and daughters of Wessex, stand indeed at a crossroads.
You have a big army, your friend.
You know, these Northmen have the reputation as savage warriors, but they're only human, just like us. Clapham and Dapey, we have the risen Christ on our side, and with God on our side, how is it even conceivable that we could lose this final battle?
You also? Soon you're gonna fight again against Ivar for a strategic
So
game
we're at the
also.
crossroads. We can decide to move forward, engage the enemy, or we can, fearing the worst, agree to negotiate with him. I have to tell you that I no longer believe in negotiating with the devil. We will travel to our garrison at Chichester.
That's gonna be the final fight. We all know that.
For the rest of our country, a beacon of light, a beacon of liberty. In this moment, where all of our lives and all of our history.
Are you seeing the light coming with this speech? I love Alfred's story in The Last Kingdom, but also the true one. But I love these Vikings, so my heart is... A Greenland with trees, with animals, with life. The symbolic of that one. Oh, the musics of this episode are all already so great. Of course, they're eating it. Ah, the music.
It's a new world. I wonder what else it has to show us.
Your father would be moment, remembering Ragnar during that
I was
moment.
just thinking that King Arnold may die in the battle ahead.
I said it.
Do you really so much want to be king of all Norway?
Nobody talks about Ragnar anymore.
I do.
Only for couple Romeos.
Nope.
Yes, they talk about me. It's not enough.
They are talking about all of you, all of Ragnar's sons. And they are continuing to talk about
One day
Ragnar
it's true.
because of you.
I will die.
Never.
Hopefully in battle. Odin will welcome me into Valhalla.
To see
But when they dig up my bones,
that reunion.
here is the grave of the most famous Viking who ever lived. My son will become a great warrior for the Rus. Will ensure that my bloodline endures.
I
And
said it.
people, a long way in the future, and probably from all over the world, will be proud to find that my blood is in their bodies.
I would be.
And my
Vuitag!
What's up with me?
He's thinking about his descendants. That's
You're
not
probably right.
Are you going to believe it, my brother?
Your eyes have turned deep blue, Ivor. We knew that when your eyes turned blue, you were in great danger of hurting yourself. And we would say not today, Ivor. Not today.
What do you say to the death? Not today? That's another show, guys. I'm already having nostalgic tears. I know myself that this is too much, like 3 episodes today. I'm not gonna survive. My heart forgot to beat for 1 second.
There's so much game, so many animals, so much just to eat, I can't even describe it.
We must thank the gods for all this bounty.
Michelle,
Did Stockholm either say att leda och till fest?
Oh, the pictures and the music, they are always great on Vikings, but on this episode, I'm wow! You know, even the zoom on Ivar's face earlier, it was so great. Oh, you're beautiful, Dorothy, and you're so brave. You can't die. I swear.
I wonder if the gods are truly here in this new world.
Perhaps they have.
They are.
Even so,
You're there,
perhaps
and you're
they
believing into them, so they are right there also.
You come all this way just to find a familiar, Uber, son of Ragnar. Maybe you're not so much like your father after all.
Like he's gonna convert to the Christian God? I don't know if I want that. Only if you do. There is someone right there. It's the people who are living on that land. I was thinking, can it be someone that we know? The only one? Yeah. Floki? No. Ow! I had hope for that, you know, his return, but it became really the running gag of this show.